Hi, my name's Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to communicate with a tenant and Service Pro in a maintenance request on TenantCloud. Please note, in order to send and receive messages within a maintenance request, you must be connected with the tenant as well as a Service Pro to be assigned the maintenance request, and sharing must be enabled. Once you have created your maintenance request that has a connected Service Pro and tenant attached, you can send messages to each of the attached connections. To find this section, click on the Messages tab at the top of the Details part of the maintenance request. All the messages will be stored in this location. There are two ways to reply to a message. You can type the message in the text field, or you can click Reply on the specific message to start a new thread. When you send a message to either the tenant or the Service Pro, both will receive a notification in their notifications feed, and the same would happen when a tenant or pro sends a message back to you. The system keeps track of the number of messages within the maintenance request at the top of the message page. It can also be found on the maintenance request card on the maintenance request dashboard. Of course, not everything can be described very well through text, so TenantCloud has the ability for anyone to upload an image or document right into the message. And that's how easy it is to send a message in a maintenance request within TenantCloud. To start managing your rental properties for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.